Sunday air feels thin, coffee in a paper cup, cooling in my hand, trackside pigeons hopping, the partial board flickers, names I don't quite understand. You blink, the propellers awake, little cross of plastic in a sky of gray. Over roofs and rails you rise like a thought I forgot to say. Circle over Newbury, tiny red light over silver tracks, watching all these leaving lives trading in and out, never looking back. You're seeing what I never see, roof tile smoke trails, broken glass. Circle over Newbury, hold this ordinary moment like it lasts. You skim the station canopy past the rusted ladder in a hidden patch of moss. There's a kid on platform 3, pointing up and laughing every time you cross. A guard in a yellow vest, shades on, trying not to stare too long. I tilt you toward the western line, you paint a slow horizon as the train moves on. Circle over Newbury, tiny red light over silver tracks, watching all these leaving lives threading in and out, never looking back. You're seeing what I never see, roof tile smoke trails, broken glass. Circle over Newbury, hold this ordinary moment like it lasts. From up there my worries shrink to matchbox cars, just a map of crooked streets and stubborn yards. Down here I'm stuck between arrivals, past and plans. Up there you float like you don't answer to demand. Circle over Newbury, tiny red light over silver tracks, freeze these scattered strangers' hearts in a frame of steel and weathered brick and grass. You're seeing what I never see, my small life from 10 floors past. Circle over Newbury, hold this ordinary moment, hold this ordinary moment like it lasts. Whoa, 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 whoa. How low can you go? Whoa, 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 whoa. How low can you go? Whoa, 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 whoa. How low can you? You talk big, but your credit small. You brag tall, but you never call. Screenshot flex on a borrowed coat. Act rich, but you're always broke. How low can you go? Say it with your chest, not a pose. How you go? Digging for a light like gold. How you go? Bend that pride till it hits the floor. How low can you go? Tell me, is there any limit anymore? Whoa, 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 whoa. How low can you go? You sell secrets for a little shine, twist every story so you look fine. Smile in my face, then you twist the knife. All that reach, but you miss your life. How low can you go? Say it with your chest, not a pose. How you go? Digging for a light like gold. How you go? Bend that pride till it hits the floor. How low can you go? Tell me, is there any limit anymore? Is there a line you won't cross? Is there a word you won't talk? All that for just to feel tall. You lose yourself to win it all. How low can you go? Say it on the same old screen, same 3 streets, same one routine. Coffee cup with his name held